We are pleased to show you the 2025 Express Commercial Cutaway. The Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway van. Flexibility and durability are hallmarks of the 4500 chassis, as it was engineered to support the needs of 3 primary applications: school buses, shuttle buses, and ambulances. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear wheel drive, traction control, navigation system. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.